Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the LOC method and how I incorporate my DIY rose water and aloe vera hair mist as part of this method. Interested? Then please keep on watching. I'm sure by now that you guys have heard about the LOC or LCO method at some point throughout your natural hair journey. For those who haven't, please know that it's an absolute must for adding moisture to your hair. Our hair is always in need of moisture, and that is something that we should never forget. LOC basically means liquid or leave-in conditioner, oil and cream. Chelsea in her article posted by Naturally Curly mentioned this. What sets the LOC method apart from other methods is the layering of products in a specific order to maximize moisture retention. And the layer of moisture is effectively sealed in by two products which are both known to be excellent sealants, oil and butter. Okay guys, so let's break it down step by step. The first step of this method is the L, which stands for liquid or leave-in conditioner, and it requires the use of a water-based product to help add moisture. You could use plain water, DIY hair mist, or you could use an actual leave-in conditioner. Whichever one that you decide on will provide the moisture that will be sealed in. Here I'll be using my DIY rose water and aloe vera hair mist to add moisture to my hair. Next up is the O. The O stands for oil, and this is going to help lock in the moisture. The type of oil depends greatly on your hair's porosity level, and in order to learn more about hair porosity, carrier oils, and essential oils, check out my Facebook page. I'll put the links in the description box below. In my case, I'm going to be using my DIY aloe vera oil to help seal in that moisture. The last step is C, which stands for cream. This involves applying a butter-based creamy moisturizer to your hair to seal that moisture in. Now, shea butter is my go-to. Actually, I also use it for my skin. It's an excellent sealant and helps protect the hair against the damage from ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now guys, the LOC method can be done at night or in the morning depending on what you prefer. I usually work in sections which make life so much easier, and I keep my hair in a protective style. Please keep in mind that porosity will play a major role in whether or not this method works for you. Thanks for watching guys. I do hope you all learned a thing or two. Share this video, leave a comment below, and I'll see you in my next one.